Whether you're using a well-loved older model or upgrading to a brand new iPhone 16, you can personalize it with the top iPhone accessories. There are likely plenty of accessories you didn't realize you needed. With so many options available, we've narrowed down the best iPhone accessories that are truly worth your investment. Apple's 20-watt charger gets the job done, but Anker's 45-watt fast charger offers a more versatile solution. This adapter can not only fast charge an iPhone, but also fully power a MacBook Air and handle mid-sized devices like iPads with ease. It's 30% smaller than Anker's previous model, thanks to GaN technology, which also helps prevent overheating. We love the foldable prongs that make it even more compact and travel-friendly, making it a great option for those on the go. If bulky cases aren't your style, Totally is the brand to check out. This ultra-thin case is perfect for minimalists, offering zero bulk and no branding, allowing your phone to stand out on its own. At just 0.02 inches thick and weighing only 0.1 ounces, it's designed specifically to fit your iPhone snugly. You can choose a MagSafe compatible version, making it easy to pop onto a charger or go without. It also features a raised lip around the camera array to provide some protection in case of drops, ensuring your camera is safeguarded. While it doesn't provide heavy-duty protection like some other cases, Totally excels at keeping your phone sleek and stylish. If you prioritize a slim, elegant look, Totally is the way to go. When you get a new phone, protecting the screen is a top priority, and a screen protector is the perfect solution for keeping your display in pristine condition. The Spigen Easy Fit stands out as the best iPhone screen protector available. Made from tempered glass with a 9H hardness rating, it's tough enough to shield your screen from daily bumps and scratches. It also features an oleophobic coating that repels fingerprints, making it easier to keep your screen smudge-free. The kit includes 2 protectors, cleaning wipes, and an auto-alignment tray for hassle-free installation, ensuring your phone stays protected and looks its best. Anker's latest MagSafe battery pack charged a completely drained iPhone 15 to 50% in about 45 minutes during our testing. With a 10,000 mAh capacity, it can deliver a couple of full charges before needing to be recharged itself, and we were impressed with its strong MagSafe connection. This model not only offers faster charging than our previous favorite, but also features a convenient kickstand, letting you prop up your phone for easy viewing. Additionally, the small digital display on the side shows exactly how much power remains. While this portable charger is on the pricier side, it's a great investment if you're after a hassle-free, wireless charging solution. The pack even includes a USB-C cable, which can be used with the iPhone 15's USB-C port, so there's no need to spend extra on cables. For a more budget-friendly option, Anker's magnetic 5000 mAh battery pack offers similar functionality at a lower price. Pop sockets have long been a go-to solution for slippery iPhones, and the new MagSafe Pop Grips take their versatility to the next level. Instead of sticking to the back of your phone or case, they magnetically attach using MagSafe, offering a secure yet easily removable grip. This lets you pop it on when you need extra hold for taking selfies or watching videos, and quickly remove it when you want to charge your phone wirelessly. Each MagSafe Pop Grip also comes with a MagSafe-compatible ring, allowing you to convert non-iPhone devices like Android phones, e-readers, and more into MagSafe-friendly ones. Plus, if you prefer different designs or even a wallet attachment, PopSocket's MagSafe collection offers a variety of options to suit your needs. Apple's AirPods Pro are the company's most advanced wireless earbuds, and following recent announcements at this year's iPhone event, they're about to become even more versatile. Offering superior sound quality compared to other Apple earbuds, the AirPods Pro comes with customizable ear tips for a snug and comfortable fit. They feature impressive active noise cancellation, an excellent transparency mode, and a battery life that gets an extra boost from the MagSafe charging case. For those with hearing difficulties, the AirPods Pro are about to become even more valuable. A forthcoming software update will allow the earbuds to perform a clinically validated hearing test and function as a hearing aid. They'll enhance voices and minimize background noise, making it easier for users to hear conversations and other important sounds. The Backbone One game controller will soon be compatible with the new iPhone 16 as part of its second-generation release. Announced at the Apple event, this is a key move for Backbone, aligning with Apple's broader strategy to emphasize gaming as a core aspect of their ecosystem. Notably, the arrival of games like Resident Evil 7 and 8, Village, and Assassin's Creed Mirage on iPhone has been a significant talking point, even if sales have been modest. Designed with comfort and portability in mind, the Backbone 1 features ultra-wide analog triggers, precise thumbsticks, and a responsive D-pad and buttons. It connects to your phone's USB-C port, ensuring ultra-responsive gameplay, and allows you to charge your device or use your favorite headset while playing. Looking to capture smooth, stunning footage with your iPhone 16? The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer is the perfect accessory for creating professional-level videos. Its advanced 3-axis stabilization turns your phone into a high-grade camera, ensuring steady, shake-free shots. Whether you're filming energetic kids or pets, ActiveTrack 6.0 keeps everything in focus. You can even control the gimbal remotely with the DJI Mimo app on your Apple Watch, allowing you to adjust angles, snap photos, and record videos right from your wrist. The lightweight, foldable, and extendable OM6 is perfect for on-the-go creativity. Its side wheel adds cinematic touches with zoom and focus controls, and with a special kids mode, it's ideal for capturing those precious family moments. Ergonomic, stain-resistant, and easy to carry, the Osmo Mobile 6 makes capturing unforgettable memories a breeze. Whether you're focused on tracking your health and fitness or simply want a more convenient way to stay connected, the Apple Watch Series 10 is an excellent companion for your iPhone 16. While it didn't turn out to be the monumental 10th anniversary update some anticipated, Apple still delivered a larger display and made it noticeably thinner and lighter than last year's model. These changes make it more comfortable to wear and easier to read, allowing you to view even more email and text notifications and respond quickly using the on-screen keyboard. In addition to its already robust health and fitness features, the Series 10 introduces a new sleep apnea detection algorithm that uses the accelerometer to monitor sleep patterns and alert you to this frequently undiagnosed condition. While the Apple Watch has always supported a variety of activities like running, swimming, and skiing, this year's model adds new depth and tides apps, making it even better suited for snorkeling, surfing, kayaking, and other shallow water adventures. Satechi's magnetic wallet stand is a great option for those who still need to carry a few cards while wanting the convenience of propping up their iPhones on the go. Equipped with MagSafe compatible magnets, it easily attaches to the back of your iPhone 16 or any MagSafe case. The slim design folds flat when not in use, adding hardly any bulk, and can be quickly removed if needed thanks to its magnetic connection. What really sets it apart is its ability to support your iPhone at nearly any angle in both portrait and landscape modes. The wallet hinge opens up to a 160-degree angle, making it perfect for FaceTime or Zoom calls, web browsing, or streaming your favorite content on YouTube or Netflix. That's all we have for you, and thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.